Hey there, Gary Baker from 30minutemarketing.net. In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about how to make money by using Facebook groups. All right, so it's pretty obvious that every time we want to know something, the first thing we typically do is we go to Google and we ask, right, how to make money with Facebook groups. And it's even in the first snippet, it's going to give us 7 ways we can find right off the bat, right, with another 11 ways if we click through. So you're looking at ways to make money with your Facebook groups. So step 1, promote products and services as an affiliate marketer. Step 2, sell products and services. Step 3, earn advertising and sponsorship revenue. 4, promote your website, products and services. 5, direct members to a landing page for your sales funnel. 6, prospect for customers, clients, and partners. 7, collect membership and subscription fees. Right there, 7 quick ways. How much money can you make from a Facebook page? It talks about it, right? So let's assume that somebody would pay you $500 to post in your group once you build it, right? That to $2,000 to $8,000 per week, per week or per month. Then it goes down here, and there's more. There's YouTube videos, right? How to make money with Facebook groups. Here's another one as well. Here's what you should be doing if you're looking to make money with your Facebook group long term. Build a website. Rich with content that delivers value. It's always about delivering value, no matter where you connect with potential customers and people that you want to help. So create a series of downloadable assets, learn SEO, create content, and generate organic traffic. Here's a bunch of Quora postings, but from October 8th, 2016. But it tells you all the steps that you need to know. So even here, how to start and grow a profitable Facebook group. Again, it's from 2017, but it tells you the steps. But it asks a question that's very important that we got to know the answer to as well. So now we're going to have to read this article and figure out what type of Facebook group should I start. Should it be a public group? Should it be a closed group? Should it be a secret group? Right? How to make money from Facebook groups. Facebook made it very easy for everyone to create a Facebook group. Right? So everyone and anyone can create a Facebook group. But once you create your Facebook group, or once you think about creating your Facebook group, you have to ask yourself, okay, what is my Facebook group going to be about? Right? So now you need to switch gears and you need to understand what a niche is and how to pick a niche. So again, we go to Google, right? This is our step after we've decided that we're going to create a Facebook group. Now we're going to decide what our Facebook group is going to be about. So right here, 5 steps you can use to find your niche from entrepreneur.com. Identify your interests and passions. Identify problems you can solve, research your competition, determine the profitability of the niche, and then test your idea. So there you go. There's more ways here. As you just scroll through, you're going to find many articles and ways that you can go about selecting a product, even from Shopify.com. So you can take those ideas and integrate them into your Facebook group once you picked it. So you can use your Facebook group for the hub to collect people around your niche and just sell products to them. So then that leads you into how to pick a niche for a Facebook group, because what's different about a niche for a Facebook group as opposed to a niche for email marketing or a niche for a review blog or something like that. So that leads me to the next item in this video, right, which is the review of a product that's going to take you step by step through the questions we just asked. Now, remember, we got the answers right here from Google, but did we get the answers in one concise form that we can quickly follow? So as you know, 30minutemarketing.net is all about finding ways to do things quickly, efficiently, stay focused, and continue and keep your momentum driving you forward without having to waste a lot of time. So that's exactly what we're going to find inside of Instant Social Profits 2.0. So let's just take a quick look inside Instant Social Profits 2.0, which is a product from David Ferron that actually makes his living with Facebook groups, selling products online through Facebook groups. So he's created a massive training program here, as you can see, with 19 modules plus some extra training and some bonuses. But I want to focus on right here what we were talking about, niche selection. Module 4, he has it laid out for you right here in Module 4, niche selection and niche selection part 2. So he's going to take you through picking a niche for your Facebook group. And then moving on inside of module 5, he's going to actually walk you through creating your group. Remember when we were looking over at Google, we had some questions. What type of group should it be? All right, so what are our group settings? Here, module 5, creating your group, tech videos, all group settings, adding other admins, reported posts, group security settings, email and group address settings, group photo, mute, block, and remove members. All these things you need to know are all covered right here inside of Instant Social Profits, right here in module 5. And inside of step 6, traffic, right? So now we have the niche and we have our group set up. But one of the things we didn't even Google yet was, how do I go about getting traffic into my group? So right here, David has it covered in module 6. So he goes through about getting more people into your groups, even free traffic, and then the power of one. And this sort of talks about focusing on, when you do talk about traffic and the power of one, even one person is super important inside your group to make sure that you focus on how to build that relationship even around that one person to grow it, to keep growing your traffic. Legally stealing traffic from others, some great ideas inside of that module. So there you go, module 6 of traffic. And another module I wanted to highlight was module 18, which was why we're here and why we started. The reason that you came to this video, other than to see the review for Instant Social Profits 2.0, but is the question that is asked at the very beginning. How do we make money in Facebook groups? That's what module 18 is going to take you through. Monetizing your groups, growth and expansion, right? Because once you start monetizing, then you want to be able to grow and expand, right? So when you get when you get the first person to join your group, right, that you learned up here in module 6, right, getting traffic, that first person, right, that's the first person you need to be able to talk to and understand, right, how to monetize your group. And it's great you have one person, but 2 people is going to be better, right? So, but your group's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, and you're going to have to understand how to keep monetizing that group and how to grow it and expand it. So that's a quick look inside of the front end of the mod of Instant Social Profits and what it's about. Now, I do recommend that if you pick up the front end, so if you pick up the front end and when you get inside there, you're going to have a lot of questions once you get through those great modules, right? It's not that you're going to have questions because the training didn't cover it. You're going to have questions, and I want to say not so much questions because they're going to cover niche selection, but you're going to have a lot of questions, and you're going to probably be what's they call paralysis from over-analysis. So you're going to be like, oh, I got this great idea, right? Oh, but is it really a good idea? And you may be doubting yourself. But if you pick up the upgrade, what David's done is he's provided done for you Instant Social niche domination lists, wholesaler lists in case you want to like do buy and then sell, some joint venture guides if you want to create your products and then create joint ventures, some group buy leveraging that he goes into, optimizing and monetizing and dominating your Facebook groups. This is all the next level of your Facebook group. And then here in this video, he talks about expanding into Instagram, advanced group posting using Facebook stories, getting posting approvals, make sure it gets towards your advantage. And then here it even takes you into the next level as well as communicating with your Facebook group on Facebook, but to take them off of Facebook and create your own place away from Facebook to communicate with them more one-on-one, right? So because when you build an email list, you send that email list directly to their inbox and then you communicate with them. So then you're taking your group and you're moving it to email and vice versa. It's just another level of marketing once you start using Facebook groups. So that's a quick look inside of the front end, which is 19 modules, some bonuses and some extra training, as well as the upgrade 1. All right, so here's the actual real quick. We'll look at the funnel. So just so you know what you have here is you have a front end. It's currently $9.97, and an OT01 that I recommend is for $37. There is a downsell, but just be aware that that downsell will take certain aspects of that away, which will be explained on the sales page. And as for the rest of this funnel, it's going to include some training. So let's take a quick look. You saw the front end, which is basically the $9.95 with all the videos, everything you need to get set up and to get started, you know, as soon as you get through those videos. Here's the upgrade 1, as I spoke of. It talked about the done for you content, which is 2,000 niches and over 1,000 examples of instant social profits. So these are all original content ideas, original niches, and examples of how to actually utilize your Facebook groups. So you can become, you know, you instantly become the quote unquote guru of your group, right? Without, like it says here, much quicker without the stress. So he's going to sort of, you know, give you that information to give you a jump start. And then of course, upsell, upgrade 2, 6 weeks. So they got some live coaching. There's some more video upgrades here. Then they got some more, some more training here. Again, I would look through these as you go through the funnel. If it seems like something that you think you're going to need, and it looks like it's going to help you, then I'd recommend going for it. If not, then don't. So that's going to be your decision. But again, I do recommend the front end and the upgrade 1 for the done for you niche selection and the examples. All right. So now let's cover. So when you land on the sales page, this is what the sales page looked like, right? So you'll land on the sales page. It might look a little bit different because this was a pre-release sales page. So you're going to scroll down through here, but all the information is going to be the same. The thing I want you to focus on here is the bonuses that you're going to get with this for $9.97. So he's going to have all that training up front to cover your groups. But as he mentioned, if you remember inside of OTO1 or Upsell 1, he's going to actually show you email training. So here's the thing is, you have your Facebook group, and that's fantastic, and you're using Facebook primarily as your front end, right? But everyone knows that in this day and age, you know, Facebook, and the reason this is 2.0, right? Instant Social Profits 2.0 is he released the original one, I want to say about a year, maybe a year and a half ago now when I actually picked that up. And Facebook has changed. Facebook is always changing, right? So that's kind of the thing is you always have to stay, you know, up to date on the situation inside your Facebook group. So once you build your Facebook group, you know, one of your jobs as running the Facebook group and you know, organizing that and keeping fresh information and getting all that stuff to the people that have joined your group is making sure that you're up to date on Facebook. So this training is going to provide you a method to offload some of that. So it's going to show you how to create a blog, how to do some good copy. Here we got some more social marketing, some YouTube, as well as email tactics. So those are 5 bonuses that are included with this training as well as so when you pick it up. And then to include on top of those 5 bonuses when you pick up Instant Social Profits 2.0, I have a retargeting and remarketing resource portal, which takes you through everything you need to know about doing retargeting and remarketing inside of Facebook. So this is a lot of this is geared towards taking it to the next level as well inside of Facebook. So Instant Social Profits 2.0 covers free traffic, but this is going to have a lot of great information if you want to move into paid traffic using Facebook ads. So at that point inside of your niche, you would use Facebook ads to drive people to join your group. So it's just another way to get people and expand on the size of your Facebook and the scope of your Facebook group once you get your niche nailed down and you get people in there. If you want to, I don't want to say easier because it's not really easier or harder, but if you want to utilize other aspects of Facebook, Facebook ads are going to be a great way to do that, and that's what this bonus is going to do. It's going to teach you and show you different ways to do that to get you started. As well as a second bonus that I'm going to provide you is this is the same idea inside of Facebook. So Facebook as a complete platform, right? As you know, you have your regular timeline, you have Facebook pages, you have Facebook groups, Then you have Facebook advertising, which, you know, the bonus that I'm going to give you here is going to help you get started into Facebook ads if you want to go that direction. And then a next level, another component of using Facebook, so you have a complete strategy utilizing Facebook to market inside of your group and your niche. We're going to talk about chatbots and Facebook Messenger. So this bonus of mine is going to show you and open up the door and show you how to start utilizing chatbots to round all this out as a complete Facebook marketing strategy. So again, this has been about how to make money with Facebook groups and taking the learning curve and just completely flattening it out, shrinking it, speeding up your timeline, which is what 30minutemarketing.net is all about. And that's what David Farron has done here in Instant Social Profits 2.0. So again, highly recommend you take a look at this, pick up at least the front end, get these 19 videos, get started with Facebook groups, and you'll be right on your way. As well as once you get all this training done, you'll be able to hop over, get the bonuses, start rounding out your strategy into Facebook. You'll have access to remarketing and retargeting resource portal, as well as the chatbot cookbook, which will again round out your complete Facebook strategy and get you exactly where you need and want to be utilizing Facebook as a complete marketing tool. All right, so that's it. There'll be a link here in the description, so go ahead and click that link. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.